Hello everyone, welcome to Learn for Exam. I am Atra Roy, and in this video I am going to cover something really interesting, and a lot of people wanted me to make this video. It's on agribusiness management in India, the scope of agribusiness management of India. You know, there are a lot of colleges, but a lot of people aren't aware of this program. So मैंने सोचा इस पे एक वीडियो बना के आप लोगों को let me talk about every aspect so that you have a clearer idea, right? But before I start, let me tell you about the Learn for Exam app. It's available in the iOS store and the Google Play Store. You get a lot of benefits. Free tests मिलते हैं आपको, videos मिलते हैं. So please download the app and enjoy all those benefits, right? So let's start. What is this program all about? Now, it's an MBA, but not the regular MBA of marketing and all those stuff, marketing, finance, operations. It's an agribusiness, or food and agribusiness, or you can have rural agribusiness management. These kind of courses are covered in this, under this sphere, right? What are the sectors in which you might have to study, or you might have to go in? What is the sector that you are targeting if you are targeting this course? Food production sectors, farming, contact farming, seed supply, then agri-chemicals, farm machinery, agri-supply chain management, distribution, processing, marketing and sales. The last thing is somewhat around marketing and operations and supply chain, but uske pehle jo bhi tha, it's everything is related to agribusiness only, right? So this is a specialized course with specific eligibility criteria, and that differs from a college to college, right? And agribusiness related placements भी होते हैं. भी बोलना गलत होगा, agribusiness related placements ही होते हैं. So that's something that you have to keep in mind, right? Syllabus जो होता है वो normal MBA का ही होता है. जो first year आप पढ़ोगे, that's almost synonymous to normal MBA, but in the second year that you go, all the subjects would be related to agricultural businesses. So I've taken the curriculum of IIM Ahmedabad, jahan pe the course that they have is FABM, PGP in FABM. So dekh sakte ho, this is the syllabus of the second year. You can see that you have a lot of the subjects are very much into agriculture and agriculture only. 2-3 subjects ही आपको मिलेंगे जो agriculture से बाहर है, let's say market research and this managing sustainability, right? ये सब economics of this is also agriculture, right? So everything else you can see is agriculture related. There are very two important, very important things, that is जो normal MBA program होता है वहाँ पे आपका summer internship होता है, आप कोई finance sector पे जाते हो या फिर marketing sector पे जाते हो. In this you have a rural immersion module. Rural immersion module is like the summer internship only, but यहाँ पे you get to know about agriculture. So this revolves around agriculture and not finance, marketing, and all those domains, right? There is also a rural immersion module that they call the RIM phase 2 as well, that happens in the last trimester of the program. So though almost two sets of, you can say, phases होते हैं इसका जो आपको करना पड़ता है in IIM Ahmedabad. What about the eligibility? Now you have to keep a minimum of 50% of marks in relevant bachelor's degree. Relevant degree होना बहुत ही ज़्यादा important है, because I have seen people with 98 percentile जिसको call नहीं आता है. However, a person with 86 percentile also gets the call, right? 5% relaxation is given if you belong to any category, and students with previous background. Now this is very important. Which people are considered? What kind of people are considered? Students with previous background, with relevant work experience, with internships, or with special interests are only considered for this program. Example of relevant background is, BSc in agriculture, BSc in home science or life science, crop management, botany, zoology, biotechnology, biochemistry, all these are relevant. Or if you have worked in the sphere, then आपका profile जो है वो in line हो जाता है, वो parallel हो जाते हैं, in alignment हो जाता है with what they are looking for, what kind of candidates they are looking for. For this program, your percentile does not matter much. Your profile matters a lot more, right? Graduate students who are in the final year can also appear for the exam, and जो major exams हैं जो आपको लेने पड़ेंगे to get in these kind of courses and colleges would be CAT and CMAT. ठीक है? What are the major colleges that provide you an MBA in these fields? द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट वन इज IIM अहमदाबाद, जहाँ पे एवरेज प्लेसमेंट जो है अराउंड 6 लाख का है. कैट का कट ऑफ जो है अराउंड 92 परसेंटाइल के अराउंड रहता है. इट डिफर्स फ्रॉम ईयर टू ईयर, बट येस इफ यू हैव अ प्रीवियस बैकग्राउंड, रिलेटेड बैकग्राउंड, एंड अगर आप 96 परसेंटाइल के अराउंड लाते हो मार्क्स, देन योर चांसेस ऑफ कन्वर्जन बिकम्स वेरी वेरी इजी. IIM लखनऊ का जो एवरेज प्लेसमेंट है दैट स्टैंड समवेयर अराउंड 13 lakhs. कैट का जो कट ऑफ है वो 90 परसेंटाइल के अराउंड होता है. यहाँ पे भी अगर आप 94, 95 के अराउंड लेके आते हो, इफ यू हैव अ रेलिवेंट बैकग्राउंड, देन converting the college becomes very very easy. Other colleges are UPES Dehradun, IMS that is Institute of Management Studies, BHU, SIIB है पुणे में, that comes under Symbiosis. इनका जो एवरेज प्लेसमेंट है दैट रिवॉल्व समवेयर अराउंड 7 to 8 लाख रुपीज. 7 to 8 लाख के बीच में इनका एवरेज प्लेसमेंट स्टैंड करता है. Other colleges are Sam Higginbotham Institute of Agriculture, Technology and Science. Then you have Global Business School of Research Center. You have College of Agribusiness Management, Pantnagar. Then you have Indian Institute of Plantation Management in Bangalore. Amity University है नोएडा में. Midcon University of Management है पूना में. And Chaudhary Charan Singh National Institute of Agriculture Marketing, which is in Jaipur. All these colleges, you know, these colleges have an average package, an average salary of around 6 lakh rupees, around 6 lakh rupees. ठीक है, it however depends from college to college. Now, what are the employment sectors that you are looking at? अगर ये कोर्स करते हो आप, कौन से जगह पे जाओगे, कौन से रोल्स पे जाओगे, that I have mentioned here. You get to corporate agriculture, you get to retail agriculture, agri product processing companies में there is a very good chance of entering. Then you get food and supply departments of state governments, central governments or any consultancy firms, right? Then you have colleges, universities में researchers के role पे आपको लिया जा सकता है. You might be hired in terms of a faculty as well. Governmental organizations also have various number of openings. Then you have fruit procurement and supply chain organizations जो जिनका roles अराउंड ऑपरेशंस के बेसिस पे होता है, राइट? जॉब रोल्स क्या होता है? ऑपरेशंस मैनेजर और ऑफिसर. देन यू हैव बिजनेस और सेल्स मैनेजर रिलेटेड टू मार्केटिंग. देन यू हैव क्रेडिट एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड एनालिस्ट विच इज रिलेटेड टू फाइनेंस. प्रोक्योरमेंट ऑफिसर हो जाता है अगेन रिलेटेड टू ऑपरेशंस. सप्लाई चेन मैनेजर रिलेटेड टू ऑपरेशंस एंड quality assurance manager. All these roles however would revolve, ये जो सारे roles हैं वो around agri business ही रहेंगे. You cannot expect a full marketing or a full finance role, right? What are the dream companies if you go into this these kind of colleges and you go into this course? कौन सा companies आपका ड्रीम कंपनीज होना चाहिए? You get ITC Limited, Rallis India, you have Excel Crop Care, then you have Cargill which is a very good company, Godrej Agrovet है, Jain Irrigation. EY ने start किया है taking people for their analyst roles and all sorts of those roles. Then you have banking companies as RBL Bank and Reliance Foundation. Reliance Foundation के banking zones पे आपको काम करवा सकते हैं. Governmental places like NABARD and FCI. Then you have startups like NinjaCart and Vehicle. So these are the best ones I would say that recruit from colleges, from B schools in India for with people, you know, who are doing MBA in agribusiness management. Right, so this is what I wanted to share. So you need to prepare for CAT because you need a good percentile, also a profile, right? So we have our MBA 2020 pen drive course and the live courses of MBA 2020 and in MathSnap 2020. Individual courses of Quant and LID are available as well. You have other courses of GK, BB and TIS as well. For any information, you can call or WhatsApp on this number. Also, our CAT test series is live. If you want to take this test, go to learnforexam.com, register yourself and you can take the test, right? The CAT LRDI ebook, it's available at 149 only. You get 200 LRDI sets with the solutions and 4 hours plus of video content, right? Special course I've already talked about, LRDI ebook. You also get the MathSnap ebook. It's available for pre-ordering. These are the free tests that we upload on our platform regularly. You just need to go to our website, register and take these free tests, right? Also the test series we have NMath, CAT, Snap, IFT, and if you're weak at quants, you can buy the quant topic test, which gives you 96 quant topic tests based on the level of difficulty, right? These are the reviews and results of 2019 classes for Learn for Exam. You can pause the video and check these ones out. And if you're not connected with us, make sure you connect with us over YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and Snapchat at Learn for Exam. Have a very good day ahead. and take care of yourselves. Bye bye.